How to fix other people's story not showing on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix other people's story not showing on Instagram. So guys, first of all, please subscribe to the channel and let's get started. So what you have to do is, first you have to go to your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. Now you have to see whether the Instagram is asking for an update or not. If they are asking for an update, you have to update your Instagram first, and then after doing this you have to go to your phone settings. After going to phone settings, go to app management or install apps or anything what you have in your phone. Now scroll down and search for Instagram. Here is it, Instagram. Just click to Instagram and then you have to click on force stop, and then you have to stop the force. Now you have to click on storage uses and then you have to clear all the caches here. Now you can see here permission, so just click to permission and you have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed it, I'm doing this because to solve your problem. Now go back and let's see. I can see only one story. So what is the problem means I don't have followers and a following. So it is showing now, my story is showing. So what you have to do is you have to restart your phone and then reopen your device, reopen your Instagram application. The problem will solve. Thanks for watching.